places. The Arctic, one of Earth's coldest places on Earth. Horses live in Arctic. They turn white in winter. Snow White oaks live in Arctic. They hunt in the day. Foxes live in Arctic. They have thick fur. Wolves is in Arctic. Wolves, they hunt packs. Curly folk live in Arctic. They are good swimmers. Moose live in the Arctic. They fight with her antlers. Hawks live in the Arctic. They have white fur as pearl. Ocean currents live in Arctic. They hunt many sea animals. Polar bears live in Arctic. Monsters stay there for a year. Goodbye, everyone.
Good job.